DR, sort 43, Greek and Latin roots, voc, psych, mem, and ling. Let's go ahead and sort these, just a pattern sort to get started. Memory, psychology, vocal, lingo, I'm going to leave a space for the keyword, remember, linguist, vocalize, commemorate, advocate, invoke, psychiatrist, language, memorial, memorandum, vocation, provoke, multilingual, psych, linguini, immemorable, slang, psyched, provocative, and memento. What do you think voc means? Voc is voice or call. Psych means of the mind. How about mem? You see what mem might mean? Mem actually also means mind, and ling or lang is language. Okay, just a little discussion about some of these words. When you advocate for someone, it means you're speaking for them. You're someone that was trying to help them. To invoke means to call in. A vocation is a fancy word for your job. And a lot of people believe their job is like a calling to them, just like teaching is most of the time. I know it is for me. A calling, something you knew you always wanted to do. Provoke and provocative, these are derived from each other. Provoke and provocative, to call forth. Come here, to provoke. Psychology is the study. You have the ology part, that means study. So the study of the mind. A psychiatrist is a person who studies the mind. And you have psych and psyched, which are related to each other, like you're excited about something. And then you have your memory. Remember that the RE means again. So to remember means to bring the mind back. And in immemorable, the M means not. Remember, yes, you do need two M's because the first M is part of the prefix and the second M is part of the base word, immemorable. That means you can't remember it. It's happened so long ago that it's without memory. Since time immemorial, people have said that dogs are humans' best friend. No one knows when that started. Memorandum comes from the word memo. And memorial is when you bring to mind a friend when you're trying to think about them. And over here, a linguist is a person who studies language and works with language. Of course, you have language. And then we have multilingual, which is very similar to bilingual or trilingual. It means you know many languages. Take a look at linguini. What does that have to do with language? Well, this actually takes us back because ling and lang, they used to actually mean tongue. So that's related here to the lingual part about learning languages is kind of a tongue, but linguine is a type of pasta that you would eat using your tongue.